Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Yoga Ambar Kusuma, NIM 250415033, Prodi S1 Komunikasi Bahasa Inggris dan Bisnis Internasional. Pada kesempatan ini ingin membuat review materi matkul Introduction to Linguistics dengan materi yang dibawakan adalah Sociolinguistik. Oke, jadi penjelasan review dari saya Sociolinguistik. Sociolinguistics is a branch of linguistics that studies the relationship between language and society. It focuses on how language is used differently depending on social situations. So, sociolinguistics does not only talk about grammar or vocabulary, but it talks about how people actually use language in real life. And next to the in the next point, who is involved, siapa aja yang terlibat. So the people involved in social linguistics are speakers and listeners from different social backgrounds. These backgrounds include age, gender, social class, education, occupation, and even community origin. Because of these differences, people may use different style of language. And when, kapan digunakan? Sociolinguistics is used when we analyze language in social interactions. For example, when people change the way they speak depending on who they are talking to. Jadi bisa diperhatikan ketika orang mungkin bisa berubah nada bicaranya tergantung siapa yang diajak bicara. And this happens very often in daily communication. Dan ini terjadi sangat sering di komunikasi sehari-hari. So, where, di mana ini diterapkan? Sociolinguistics is applied in many places, such as schools, workplaces, communities, and media. It is also used in multilingual societies where people speak more than one language. Why? Kenapa? Why is it important? Kenapa ini penting? Sociolinguistics is important because language is not separate from society. Jadi bahasa itu adalah hal yang nggak bisa dipisahkan dari masyarakat. The way people speak is influenced by social norms, culture, and relationship. Jadi the way people speak, cara orang berbicara itu influence atau didasarkan atau mungkin dipengaruhi oleh norma sosial, budaya, dan hubungan interpersonal. Dan by studying sociolinguistics, we can understand why language varies among different group of people. Jadi dengan belajar sociolinguistik kita bisa mengetahui bahwa bahasa itu sangat berbagai macam, sangat beragam di antara perbedaan masyarakat, orang-orang atau lingkungan. And how is it work? Gimana cara kerjanya? Sociolinguistics work by analyzing language variations such as dialects, accents, code switching, and code mixing. For example, a student may speak formally when they're talking to a lecturer, but speak informally when they're talking to friends. Another example is when bilingual speakers switch language depending on the situations. All of these phenomena are studied in sociolinguistics. And in conclusion, sociolinguistics studies how language is used in society. It helps us understand the connection between language and social life. That is why sociolinguistics is an important branch of linguistics. Jadi sekian review sociolinguistics dari saya. Terima kasih. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.